if we was playing, if we was sitting on the living room and I fall down, on the carpet, and I fall down on your sister, and you come and you say, "What the fuck are you doing, boy?" And that is not evidence that I do anything,
But we would act like what?
That is not evidence that I do anything with your sister,
No, but how would we act? How would we act? Like family?
Look, it could happen. Yes, like, oh, my hand in your sister pants accidentally.